At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. Caregivers are the backbone of the healthcare system, providing crucial support to those who need assistance with daily tasks and medical care. Their duties range from helping with basic activities like bathing and dressing to managing complex medical routines. But their role doesn't stop there. They also act as advocates, coordinating appointments and communicating with healthcare providers. Most importantly, caregivers provide companionship and emotional support, which plays a key role in the overall well-being of those they care for. A Caregiver Note Template is a structured way to document the care provided to a client. These notes help track the client's health and record the steps taken during each visit. Writing accurate and detailed care notes is one of the most important responsibilities a caregiver has. It ensures critical information is passed along to other caregivers or healthcare providers, facilitating a coordinated approach to the client's care journey. These notes are not just practical records. They can also serve as legal documentation, proving the care provided and adherence to care plans. Additionally, they offer emotional support by capturing meaningful moments, milestones, and challenges overcome, reflecting the depth of the caregiver-client relationship. Our template is designed to capture all key aspects of caregiving. Firstly, summary of visit. This gives an overview of what happened during the visit, highlighting any significant events or observations. Client's health status. Caregivers can note the client's current health and any changes since the last visit, making it easier to spot trends. Tasks completed. A clear record of the tasks done during the visit, whether it's medical management, personal care, or household tasks, ensuring a seamless continuation of care. Client's well-being. This section focuses on the client's emotional and mental health, noting their mood or any concerns raised. Care plan updates. Caregivers can document any updates to the care plan, making sure it's always responsive to the client's changing needs. Recommendations. If the caregiver suggests follow-up action or referrals to other healthcare professionals, they can note it here. Next steps. Outlining future plans ensures that continuity of care is maintained and nothing important is missed. How to use Carepatron's Caregiver Note Template. Download the template by accessing our article that's linked in the description below. Write care notes during or after each visit, including observations, tasks completed, and the client's well-being. Update the care plan as needed, ensuring any changes are clear. Share relevant notes with family members or other care providers. Keeping everyone informed and fostering a collaborative care approach. Here's a sample of our Caregiver Note Template to give you an idea of how it can be used in your practice. To explore more templates or learn how Carepatron can simplify your practice management, visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.